Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 fruit idioms you need to know.
Number 1, how do you like them apples? It means a playful or cheeky way of saying, take that, or see how you like this, after you surprise someone or win an argument.
Example, you said I'd never win the game, he lost in 3 rounds. How do you like them apples?
Number 2, peaches and cream. It means a smooth, easy situation with no problems. Example, since the new manager joined, work has been peaches and cream.
Number 3, not give a fig. It means to care absolutely nothing about something. Example, he doesn't give a fig what time the party ends as long as he can dance.
Number 4, go pear-shaped. It means to go badly wrong or fall apart. Example, the picnic was perfect until the cake dropped in the mud. After that, everything went pear-shaped. Number 5, life is a bowl of cherries. It means life feels easy, lucky, and pleasant right now. Example, she got a raise, a new flat, and a holiday in 1 month. Right now, life is a bowl of cherries. Number 6, cherry pick. It means to choose only the best or most favorable parts, often in a biased way. Example, you can't cherry pick the easy homework questions and skip the hard ones. Number 7, a peach. It means someone who is very kind, pleasant, or excellent. Example, she shared her lunch and helped me study. She's a real peach. Number 8, top banana. It means the leader or most important person in a group. Example, if you want approval for the trip, talk to the top banana, the principal. Number 9, a second bite of the cherry. It means a second chance or opportunity to try again. Example, he failed the test last year, but this time he has a second bite of the cherry. Number 10, forbidden fruit. It means something attractive or tempting that is not allowed or forbidden. Example, that expensive chocolate cake in the fridge was forbidden fruit for me on a diet. All right, friends, that's all for today's fruit idioms. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next video. Bye!